Who do we have here?
Michelle.
And we're skydiving, jumping out of airplanes today.
We certainly are.
What's the occasion?
Just delusionally passionate. Let's go.
Let's go. All right. We're going to have a lot of fun. Going to go up to 9,000 feet, fall for about 30 seconds. Anything you want to say to anybody that might watch this video?
Let's go.
All right. Let's go have some fun. Awesome. Oh my. Look what we found. It's an airplane. You excited?
I'm so excited and my stomach's in my butt.
All right. Well, I'll tell you, we're going to have a lot of fun. Go up really high, come down really fast. Sound good? All right, high five it out. Skydive. Here we go, skydive.
We're in this now.
All the way down. Here we go. Woo! Oh yeah! Give me a left turn. All the way down. Nice. Woo! Arms. Woo! How do you feel?
Like I can fly.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Jumped out of an airplane!
That was insane.
Can you believe it?
No.
You did
Never
so
thought.
good.
That was so
Did
cool.
you keep your eyes open?
I did.
Good. What was your favorite part?
Going through all the clouds, like on the way up, going through all the clouds.
That was so beautiful up there.
Those turns were fun too.
Oh, the turns
Yeah.
under the parachute?
Yeah.
Way cool. You did so good. You flew it awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
Absolutely, in a heartbeat?
Yes. I'll bring more people next time.
Yeah, let's do it. You heard that. Let's go skydiving. Skydive Colorado Springs?
Skydive
Yeah,
Colorado Springs.
nice job. High five.